Nicole Kidman looked absolutely stunning in a sheer grey gown at the LA premiere of her upcoming film, Being the Ricardos. Nicole Kidman, 54, stole the show at the Los Angeles premiere of her highly anticipated new film, Being the Ricardos, at the Academy Museum on December 6. For the premiere, Nicole donned a stunning strapless grey Armani Privé gown that had a completely bedazzled, low-cut sweetheart neckline. The gorgeous gown had a corset bodice that cinched in her tiny waist while the rest of the chiffon skirt flowed out into a ball gown. She accessorized her ensemble with a pair of Jimmy Choo heels, a diamond choker necklace, and an Omega watch. As for her glam, she threw her strawberry blonde hair up into a messy high bun with a few curls left out to frame her face. A bright red lip and a sultry smoky eye completed her look. Nicole plays Lucille Ball in the film, which hits theaters on December 10, and she was graced on the red carpet by her co-star, Javier Bardem, who plays the role of Desi Arnaz. Javier looked handsome in his fitted black tuxedo with a black button-down shirt underneath and a matching silk black bow tie around his neck. Related gallery. Nicole Kidman, pics of the actress. Nicole's red carpet looks while promoting her new film have been nothing short of perfect, and just the other day she rocked yet another gorgeous dress to the NYC premiere. She opted to wear a long-sleeve, silk white Chanel Fall 2021 haute couture dress that had a fitted bodice and a loose draped skirt. The flowy midi skirt featured two black bows on either side of her waist, and she accessorized with a pair of black strappy Chloe Gosselin busy pumps, dangling Anna Koridrisa earrings, and a matching black Jennifer Behr velvet bow barrette that was fastened in the back of her hair.